Here comes old Uncle Remus, the finest concrete company in town, backing on down the alley. It's polka time! Reminds me of the VFW up there in Minnesota, you know. You want to be on TV?
On YouTube?
Yeah, what do you got to say to YouTube today? You got any words of wisdom?
No, not today.
No words of wisdom from the driver today.
Nope, not today.
Alright, well, we'll just reading off the last of it here. I'm going to start bull floating, but going smooth so far. It's just about too easy today. I don't know. What do you think, Orville? Hate to say it this early in the day, but